Hello everyone, welcome to Ordinary Guy Finance. Make complex finance terms simple. Today let's talk about Mrs Bectors Food Specialities Limited IPO. First let's look at the company. They're into biscuits and bakery segments. They manufacture and market a wide range of biscuits such as cookies, crackers and creams under their brand Cremica. And they also manufacture and market bakery products like bread, buns and cakes under their brand English Oven. Also, they supply to quick service restaurants like McDonald's and Burger King. Now let's look at the overall industry and how it's growing. This is the market size of the branded biscuit. If you see, over the last 5 years, it grew at a CAGR of 10.6%. And for the next 5 years, the projection is 9.2%. So it's going to grow from 380 billion to 590 billion. And this is the market share of the brands. So currently Cremica in the biscuit market has only 1% market share. There are bigger players like Britannia, Parle and ITC. Let's now look at the bakery market. So in the bakery market, English Oven is almost close to 5% market share. And as I also mentioned earlier, they supply to quick service restaurants. Now let's look at the growth opportunity with the quick service restaurants. So if you see here on the top table, the brands like Domino's, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, the top table is showing you the number of outlets and how they're growing. On the bottom table show you, that there's still opportunity for growth, even with that fantastic growth story. It still has opportunity for growth because you see here in the US there are 198 chain restaurants per million, whereas in India we have 2. Even if you compare with China, it's they have 7 chain restaurants per million, whereas we only have 2. I found an interesting note in the RHP which said that the requirement of burger buns for McDonald's almost 100% is fulfilled by Mrs. Bectors. That's great, and I think there's an opportunity for growth here for the company. Now let's look at the company's financials. The revenue has been growing from the past 3 years. It grew from 6,939 million to 7,621 million. All the other numbers also are great, like gross margin percent is also great at 46%. But the only concern is the net profit. If you see, the net profit has decreased from 358 million to 304 million. Similarly, PAT margin percent has also gone down. So that's a little bit concerning. If you want to compare with the other players, the ROCE and ROE numbers, if you see here for Britannia, ROE number is almost close to 30%, ROCE is close to 45%, whereas for Mrs. Bectors, its ROE is 13% and ROCE is 17.3%. So the financial numbers are not that great. Coming to the IPO details, the opening date is December 15th, the closing date is December 17th. It's a book building type IPO, and the IPO price range is 286 to 288. The minimum order quantity is 50 shares. Coming to the conclusion, before I tell my opinion, I wanted to remind you that please do your research before you invest. I'm not a financial advisor. Coming back to the IPO, there's definitely an opportunity for growth, but looking at the financial numbers, I'm not that impressed. If I have to invest, I would definitely go ahead with the bigger players like Britannia or Parle. And I generally do not apply for listing gains, but if you want to do that, please check how many times it is subscribed on the last day, and you can take a decision based on that. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. If you like my content, please subscribe and please provide your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.